y'all, que paso? We are back at it again with another video. Before you continue watching, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My sister here, she wanted a bob locks look, if that makes sense. So we already started. Her hair has been twisted already. And so yeah, I'm just gonna get into detail on how we achieve this look. It's very simple, very cute. You guys will see the finished look at the end. You will not be disappointed. Okay, period. So for this look, like I said, you're going to have to twist the locks. She has a lot of locks. I think she has over 200. So we basically took like 4 locks and then twisted them, combined those, you know, put them in 2 little groups and then twisted them. So all I'm doing is wrapping up her lock like you see me doing here. Hopefully my hand's not too in the way. I'm gonna show you a few more other times. So we wrapped it back up and then wrapped it back down. And then you're going to just make sure it's kind of tucked in as much as possible, and then just seal it with a rubber band. Real quick and easy, simple, right? There's other lock videos of like doing the bob look, and they have like the knots at the end, and it just looks very Medusa. And there's nothing wrong with Medusa if that's the look that you're going for, but I just feel like it looked a lot smoother with us doing it how we did. So then I'm putting another rubber band at the bottom of her hair just to, you know, make sure it was even more sealed and it wasn't going anywhere. So yeah, we basically just used 2 rubber bands for each. You can see it when you look up close, but if you're standing a distance away from her, you can barely even tell that rubber bands are in her hair. But yeah, that didn't take long at all. The thing that takes the longest, honestly, is just the twisting process. I did this side of her head, and then my sister did the other side of her head. And the twist that we did the day before, it took an hour, and then doing this and like bobbing it only took an hour or 2, I think. So yeah, I'm basically just going to repeat that, and basically you're going to want to make sure that you're making them all the right length. So you will need like a mirror if you're doing this on yourself. So yeah, you'll see me go back a couple times to make sure I line them up so they're, you know, not looking crooked and stuff, and one's not shorter than the other one, and they're all the same length. So this is me just going back. Like I said, you're just going to take the bottom of the lock and basically loop it around your fingers to just twist it up. And then after that, just kind of go back down just so the lock doesn't end up being too chunky and looking a mess. So I just finished with that one. You see that it is basically just touching her shoulder. I'm going to continue to do that. If you see the front ones, those ones definitely need to be adjusted because they're definitely way shorter than the rest of her hair. But I'm going to speed through the rest of it. Like I said, this is very simple hairstyle. Very cute if you have locks. If you stay tuned, which you should, for the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and put some pictures, little selfies that she took, because she really was loving this and said she was even considering cutting her locks just because it looks so cute. So yeah, I'm going to put some pictures of, you know, how it looks, just in case you want a better view and a head-on view of how her hair looks with this style. So stay tuned. I'm going to speed through the rest of this. I hope this is pretty plain and simple. I will be back towards the end of the video just in case you need to see it one last time. Okay, hopefully you stay tuned and you made it to the end of this video. You're basically going to see me redo the front just because I definitely overestimated the length. So here I am trying to go ahead and loop it. I was definitely struggling with this one. The rubber band wasn't cooperating how I wanted to. It was a little bit of a mess. Plus trying to make sure it was the right length, especially because this was the front of her head. So yeah, I did not want to have her out here looking crazy. But yeah, hopefully you stay tuned so you can see the cute pictures of her at the end. I'm also going to include our little Halloween photo. She played Freddie and I was Velma, and my other sister was Shaggy. So yeah, that gives you some context for that picture. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope this was a very easy tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see y'all in the next video. And don't forget to stay tuned so you can see the cute pictures. Okay.